In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can create trading account on Exness. I will guide you step by step. So for the first step, after downloading Exness app, you can simply open it and it will show you this type of dashboard here. You can select create an account. Then you need to select your residence. If you click on that arrow, it will show you these multiple countries. You can select your own. After selecting it, you need to check this option and simply click continue. Then it will ask you to write your email address. You can type your own email address that you are using. Then click continue, and here you have to choose password. After choosing it, you can click continue, and then you have to set passcode to access your account quickly and securely. You can set any of the code, and then you have to re-enter your passcode, and boom, you will get this type of dashboard of accounts. Now we have to verify our Exness account if you want to use it for trading. So to verify our trading account on Exness, for the second step, we need to click on that profile icon that's showing right bottom side. Then you will see this verification option. If you click on that verification progress, it will show you these verification steps. You need to click on complete now, and it will take you to this page here where you need to confirm your email address. They will send you email with verification code, and it's valid for 30 minutes only. Then you need to open your Gmail and simply copy that code of email verification and simply paste it here. Then it will take you to this page here where you need to type your phone number. You need to type your own phone number and click continue. Then you need to confirm your phone number. You need to enter the code that you will receive in your given number. You can check your message app on your phone, or it may send you through WhatsApp. You can simply type your code here and click done. And in the next step, we need to add our profile information, which is very important. You need to type the same name that matches with your ID. Then select your date of birth, your gender and country of birth. At last, you need to type your residential address. You need to type the same address that is in your ID. So after typing the same address and simply click continue, and you will get here this option of all set deposit now. But we need to do another step. Simply click on that cross icon and click on verification progress. Scroll it down. Here you will get this complete now button. Click on it again, which will help us to deposit up to 10,000 USD, global and local payment methods, bank card and crypto payments and trading. After clicking on complete now, you will get this type of dashboard here where it will ask you these sum of questions. What is the purpose of opening your account? You can select these all options according to yourself, like current employment status, profession and many more things. So after selecting these all, so at last it will show you before engaging in trading, please consider your financial situation and risk tolerance. If you want, you can simply check these three and click submit. So now here you can recheck your name before uploading your documents. It should be same on your documents. Then click on upload document. Then it will show you this agreement. You can check it and select submit document. And here it will ask you to select your identity document. I am selecting here ID card. You can select which is available for you. So if you scroll it down, you will find these instructions to upload your pics. You can click on upload the front side of your document. You can upload it, and then you need to upload the back side of your document. After loading, it will show you the submit document option. You can simply click on it, and it will take some time for review, like 3 to 7 minutes, but it may take up to 24 hours. After 2 minutes, I just received this notification: document status, your identification document has been verified, and now our account is verified. If you found this video useful, then please like the video and subscribe to this channel. So that's how you can create trading account on Exness step by step. Now you can use this account for trading.